China has taken another significant step in autonomous aerial logistics with the successful maiden flight of the TP1000, a next-generation cargo drone developed by Yitong UAV System Co. According to a report by Global Times on March 16, 2025, the test flight occurred on March 15 at Lixidianbu Airport in Qingdao, Shandong Province. This event underscores China's ongoing efforts to enhance its low-altitude transport network and reinforce its position as a leader in the rapidly evolving drone logistics sector. The TP1000 is designed to carry over 1 ton of cargo, making it a key asset for regional freight transportation. With a fuselage length of 10.97 meters, a wingspan of 14.93 meters, and a height of 4.19 meters, the drone is engineered for efficiency and adaptability. It can transport up to 1,000 kilograms of payload over a range of 1,800 kilometers, contingent on load conditions. A spacious 7 cubic meters cargo bay enables it to accommodate diverse goods, facilitating seamless connectivity between regional hubs and smaller airports. Compared to its predecessor, the TP500, the TP1000 boasts superior range and payload capacity, meeting the escalating demands of autonomous cargo transport. A standout feature of the TP1000 is its integration with existing logistics infrastructures. The rear cargo hold supports standard freight pallets, streamlining loading and unloading processes. Additionally, the drone incorporates precision airdrop capabilities, making it an ideal solution for emergency logistics, humanitarian aid, and cargo deliveries in remote locations. Its modular architecture allows operators to choose between a piston or turboprop engine based on mission requirements and environmental conditions, ensuring optimal performance even in high-altitude operations. Beyond freight transport, the TP1000 is adaptable for multiple applications. Jean Gu, general manager of Yitong UAV System Co., highlighted its potential uses in maritime surveillance, scientific research, resource monitoring, and infrastructure projects. These capabilities position the drone as a valuable asset in both civilian and defense sectors, expanding its operational flexibility. Market interest in the TP1000 is already evident, with 30 orders placed by major logistics firms, including ZTO Express and Asian Express Aviation. The drone certification process with the Civil Aviation Administration of China (CAAC) is set to commence by late 2025, with regulatory approval expected in 2026. Once certified, the TP1000 is expected to significantly contribute to the expansion of China's autonomous cargo drone operations, a sector experiencing rapid growth driven by increasing logistics demands. The TP1000 enters a competitive landscape of cargo drones being developed in China. Compared to the HH100 by Tengdan Industries, which has a 700 kilograms payload capacity and a 2,000 kilometers range, the TP1000 offers a higher payload capacity with a slightly reduced range. However, the HH100's ability to operate at altitudes up to 5,000 meters makes it more suitable for mountainous terrains. Meanwhile, the CHYH1000, developed by Aerospace CH UAV Company Limited, shares the same 1,000 kilograms payload capacity as the TP1000 but boasts an operational ceiling of 8,000 meters and an endurance exceeding 10 hours, making it a strong competitor for extended missions and deployments in remote or conflict-prone regions. China's advancements in autonomous cargo drone technology align with broader strategic and economic objectives. These innovations enhance logistical efficiency, particularly in areas with limited transportation infrastructure. Furthermore, as China continues investing heavily in drone logistics, it seeks not only to strengthen its domestic supply chain but also to position itself as a leading exporter of autonomous aerial transport solutions. By offering cost-effective, scalable alternatives to traditional transport methods, China is poised to compete with established global players in the autonomous cargo drone industry, shaping the future of aerial logistics.